Multi-head nesting lets you cut with multiple heads at the same time. Each head cuts the same contour in parallel, multiplying your throughput without increasing your machine's cutting speed. Let's begin by configuring your machine's hardware. Navigate to the Setting tab and then click Machine to open the Settings window. In the Tools tab, we'll confirm our machine has 3 cutting heads. The minimum head distance is set to 250 millimeters. This is a mechanical limit, meaning the heads cannot physically move any closer together. Head 1 is the reference head, which means all other heads will follow its exact movement path. Remember, these are hardware settings that match your physical machine and typically only need to be configured one time. Now let's configure the multi-head nesting. From the Nesting tab, open Auto Nest. Setting the minimum number of heads to 1 tells FiNest it can use a single head, for example when a part is too wide for a multi-head layout. Set the maximum number of heads to 3 to use all available heads. But sometimes you know your machine better than the algorithm. For total control, like if you want exactly 2 heads, no more, no less, just set both min and max to the same value. For this demo, we'll use a flexible range of 1 to 3, and let FiNest find the best option per row. With the parameters set, click Start Nesting. FiNest's algorithm instantly calculates the optimal layout, considering all factors to maximize your material utilization in just a few seconds. The result is a perfectly organized sheet. Next, verify the result with the simulation. In the CAM tab, click Process, then Simulation. Watch the cutting heads move in perfect parallel. Each head follows the same path, cutting identical parts simultaneously, ensuring perfect synchronization from start to finish. Multi-head also works with manual nesting for full control. We'll clear some space, then drag a single part from the library onto the sheet to begin building our own custom arrangement. From here, you can easily create copies and position them with precision to form your own custom row. Once your row is selected, navigate to the Part menu and choose Cutting Head. In the settings, define the number of heads and the distance between them. Just like with the automatic nest, it's always a good idea to run a final simulation. This confirms your manual multi-head setup is correct, and that all heads will cut their designated parts in perfect parallel synchronization. Multi-head nesting is a powerful way to increase production throughput. 3 heads means 3 times the output. Simply set it up once and FiNest handles the rest for you.